Why did the senior from Texas refuse to play freeze tag? Because he thought it would affect his property tax freeze. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on property tax freeze for seniors in Texas. Tip 1. Understand the eligibility criteria. If you are a homeowner in Texas aged 65 years or older, you qualify to apply for a property tax freeze. This implies that the school district property taxes on your residence can be frozen at the amount set in the first year you qualified, thereby protecting you against rising taxes as home values increase. Tip 2. Submit application form. As a senior, one way to get the property tax freeze in Texas is to complete and submit a homeowner's exemption application form to the Central Appraisal District, CAD. However, the freeze doesn't apply automatically after turning 65. It's the responsibility of the homeowner to apply for it. Tip 3. Keep track of deadlines. It's essential to submit the application once you reach the age of 65. Suppose the form is submitted within 1 year of the date you first qualify, for example, your 65th birthday. In that case, it's effective for the full tax year, and the property tax will be frozen from then on. Tip 4. Apply for disabled veteran exemptions. If you're a disabled veteran over 65 who owns a property in Texas, you're entitled to additional exemptions. However, you must be rated 100% disabled by the Veterans Administration or receive 100% compensation due to unemployability without the possibility of returning to work. Tip 5. Consider the tax ceiling. While your school district property taxes are frozen, the other property taxes continue to fluctuate. They could increase or decrease based on the county's tax levy and tax laws. Thus, your tax ceiling may rise if you significantly improve your home or other taxing units adopt the tax ceiling. Tip 6. Use tax deferral. Texas homeowners can defer or postpone paying property tax on their residence if they qualify for age 65 or older. It's significant to take note that interest accumulates during deferral. It's effectively a postponement rather than a forgiveness of the owed tax. Tip 7. Know the terms of resale. If you decide to sell your property, the new owner will not receive the frozen tax rate. The property tax will be recalculated based on the market value of your property at the time of sale. Tip 8. Understand the impact of moving. If you move within Texas, the tax ceiling moves with you. However, it's recalculated based on the new home cost. Therefore, moving to a more expensive property could result in a higher tax ceiling. Tip 9. Know your survivorship rights. If a homeowner who qualified for a 65-plus exemption dies, the ceiling transfers to the surviving spouse, given that they are over 55 years old and that it remains their primary residence. Tip 10. Know the restrictions. Understand that tax freeze is not applicable to all property taxes. Other taxing units, such as cities, counties, or special districts, have the option to adopt a tax ceiling. However, many don't. Tip 11. Consult a professional. It is always advisable to consult a real estate attorney or tax professional who can provide expert knowledge on specific situations and provide guidance for your individual situation based on the current tax rules and regulations.